Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the USB debugging in this device. So to enable USB debugging, before that we need to enable the developer options in this device. To enable developer options, go to settings and tap on about device, scroll down, tap on version. To enable developer option, tap on 7 times on the build number, version number 1. So here in this device I set one screen lock. That's why they are asking this procedure. Otherwise don't need this step. You can see you are now a developer. Now go back to your settings, tap on additional settings, scroll down. Now you can see the option developer option. Now the developer options is enabled in this device. So again scroll down. So under debugging, here you can see the option USB debugging. To enable USB debugging, turn on this one, then tap on OK. Now the USB debugging is enabled in this device. So simply in this way you can enable the USB debugging. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.